In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from Yahoo Mail. If you want to clean up your contact list, delete outdated information, or remove someone you no longer need saved in your Yahoo account, this process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, log into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're signed in and looking at your inbox or main mail screen, take a moment to locate the sidebar on the right-hand side of the page. At the top of that sidebar, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Contacts tab to open your contact list. After you open Contacts, Yahoo will display the contacts currently saved in your account. Scroll through the list if needed and find the contact you want to remove. When you click on that contact, it will expand and show the details that are currently saved for that person. This is helpful because it lets you double check that you're deleting the correct contact before making any permanent changes. Once the contact details are open, look toward the top right corner of that contact's information panel. You should see the More Options icon. Click that icon to open the available actions for the selected contact. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Contact. After selecting Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Yahoo does this to make sure you don't accidentally remove a contact by mistake. If you're sure you want to continue, click OK to confirm the action. At that point, the contact will be removed from your Yahoo Mail contacts list. One quick tip before you delete anything: if you're unsure whether you might need the contact later, take a second to review the details before confirming. Since this action removes the saved contact, it's always a good idea to make sure you've selected the right one. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, removing a contact from Yahoo Mail only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Log into your account, open the Contacts tab from the right sidebar, select the contact, click the More Options icon, choose Delete Contact, and confirm by clicking OK. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Yahoo Mail contacts more easily.